I guess we'll run another video. I just woke up this morning. Go check out the vines I just made this morning. Oh my god. This is... My brother's peeing right now, so don't see that. I'm just gonna censor it for you guys. Oh my god, it's... Like, what the... Okay, okay. Never mind. Okay. Sorry, that was weird. Here, this is where I was sleeping. What the freak? I was just having a morning cough. So when you cough in the morning. This is my water. Drink some. Does it taste good? This is my camera. I can't believe I'm talking about my camera because I'm actually holding it right now. See? Plus, I just threw my camera. It's actually not a camera. It's just my phone. I'm filming with my phone. What kind of camera is this? The other thing if I swing the camera like this. What can you see? What can you see here? Oh, see the sign on the screen. Focus! The sign on the screen that says no signal.